So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to clean your email list before you actually import it over into a reputable company like an autoresponder company, like something like Getresponse or Aweber or wherever you're importing your leads to. You want to make sure you clean the list first, and I'm going to be sharing with you how to do that and why you should be doing that in this video. So if you don't know who I am, my name is Mike Hobbs. I do videos on helping you grow a business on the internet, whether you're building an affiliate marketing company, network marketing, whatever it may be. I can help you do that. So be sure to subscribe to this channel for future videos and content. I do a lot of tutorial type style and help you with different tools and things that you're using in your online business. So hit that subscribe button, like the video, drop me any questions that you have for future videos below. So let's get right into why. So I'm going to share my screen here. And so the first thing, so I got this question from one of my team members. He was like, okay, I'm uploading my leads to Getresponse, which is an autoresponder company, and they kept rejecting the file upload. So they would try to upload it and then they would reject him, and they wouldn't even give him a reason why. But the reason why is because there was too many emails that were invalid. I don't know if you've ever went online and generated leads online with like a replicated website from your company that they provided you. Like for example, this company here, you refer users to it and then they just give you all of the leads inside of the back office, but there's no way to actually email these leads, but they give you the opportunity to download them and import them. But the problem is sometimes people put fake information, or they put misspellings, or they just bounce, the leads just bounce, and then when you try to import them over into Getresponse or a reputable autoresponder company, they reject it. So I'm going to show you how to clean this list, get it imported over, and have a 100% clean list. They're going to approve it every single time, at least for me. All right, so here's how you do it. Let me go over here to this little quick thing. So this is one of the services that I use. Now keep in mind, there's tons of these services out there. I've used tons of them. I've used things like Xverify, Zero Bounce. Those are some of the name brand ones out there. But one of my marketing friends told me about one that was super inexpensive. So I will link in the description to the one that I recommend. But this is the one that is super inexpensive, which to me, if it does the same thing, you might as well not overpay, on the same service. So anyway, so what they do is they remove duplicates from your file, so that's kind of convenient. They check the email syntaxes, so that's basically, like if there might be like an invalid email, like instead of saying Gmail, so I've seen some emails say, Gmail, right? Like it will check those and make sure that they are correct emails. And then it will check the the DNS of it, it'll check an SMTP connection. It checks if it's a catch-all. Basically, bottom line is it cleans your list. These kind of services, they clean your list. Syntax, domain, MX, catch-all, disposable, all these different things. So you don't need to know all the mumbo jumbo. Again, you can find any service you want to use out there. I'll put the recommended one that I recommend below. And this is the one that we're going to use today. So it's called Million Verifier, and I'll have a link below that you can try it out. This is one, my marketing friends told me about this because they had a really low price range. Like for example, if you wanted to just come in, they have a trial where you can get 200 free credits. So you can verify 200 leads for free, right? One of the things I really like about them is that they also they're not going to do anything with your data. So, they never use your data. They never sell your data. They're compliant, and you even sign that agreement right there. So it's pretty cool in that aspect. But one of the things I really like is you can get 3,000 for $2. So if you have a list of, let's say you're just trying to import a list of less than 3,000 leads, you can literally just clean those 3,000 leads for less than $2 right here. So you just join for free, you get 200 for free, and then you get $2, you get 3,000. Then if you need to start buying more, their pricing is for 50,000. So you spend 59 bucks, and that 50,000 will last you a while. You don't have to use them all up front. You basically can just use them as you go. So that's a pretty good price. if you import leads a lot, this is probably the service to go for. But again, there's other ones out there. Do your own research. This video is not about which one to use. I'm just going to show you how I do it. Okay, so let's go ahead and do it. I'm logged into this, so you would just log into your service. You would click on, wherever it tells you to upload the file. Most of them are pretty similar, so I'm just going to go ahead and upload my file real quick. All right. So I downloaded the CSV from the company that you want to download it from. So if it's your company that you're building, you download the CSV first. Then you would import that over here, and as you can see, I have 30 because I bought the $2 thing. Right here, I'm going to go ahead and say yes, remove duplicates, and then I'm going to go ahead and click Start Verifying Now. And that's how easy it is, and it'll just in the background start going, and then when it's done, it will show up here. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, and then we will go from there. Looks like it's done. It actually didn't take very long. Look right here, 22:58, and it's 22:59. So it literally took less than a minute to do 150 emails. So if you have a bigger email list, obviously it's going to take longer. But here's why this was important. Because look, it found a couple catch-all accounts, it found some unknown ones, and it found 4 invalids out of 146. So if I tried to download, or if I tried to upload this file to Getresponse, they're going to look at that. They want less than 1% bounce rate. That's kind of their goal, is you want it to be under 1%. So if there are already 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 out of 146 bad emails, that's already at 5%. So we're already looking at a 5% negative rating on this file. And when the files are bigger, it's a worse percent, right? Like these numbers will be higher and higher and higher. But you want it under 1%. So the reason you clean the list first is it gets rid of these bad emails first before you import. And now you have a 100% clean list under the 1% bounce rate, and you are good to go. So I'm going to go ahead. This is why this service is good. My marketing friend told me about it, which is why I'm using it in this video. I thought it was good price and also really cool features. So right here, you just click download report, and then you just click the OK only. So it's super easy. You can download all the other ones if you want, but I just download the OK only. Okay, and then I will put that in my downloads folder, save it, and then I go over here to Getresponse. Go to your lists, go to add contacts, and then you're going to add them to the contact that they're supposed to go in, the list that they're supposed to go in. So I'm just going to go through this real quick. Upload the file. Basically choose my file from my computer here. All right. Then add and update existing, and then click I have permission, and then click next. And then this is where you can map the fields. So obviously I just need their first name, their last name, email from the report. I don't need any of these other things that show up in there. So I will just click on skip and don't import on these other fields. Those are not important. And we're going to go ahead and click import. All right. And like I said, I've done some of this before, and the reason why I'm doing this video is some people get rejected. So when you click OK, you'll notice down here, this one down here was rejected, and then I did the cleanup, and then it was approved. So see how I cleaned it up, got rid of some emails, and then it got approved, completed. So same with this one. Now this one, look at this. There was 0 blacklists, 0 invalid domains, 0 I mean, this is all awesome. 146 contacts uploaded and no problems. That is why you clean your list before you upload. So just to kind of recap, you download your CSV from the company that you've been generating leads from, and maybe you can't email them there, so then you download them. Then you run them through something like million verifier. I'll have a link below in the description if you want to check out this one. Buy your credits, maybe do their free trial. This one has 200 free credits, like I said, that you can get, and then $2 for 3,000. So that'll last you a while. Once you've used it up, then you just buy more credits. So then you import that file into this place. Then you basically download the OK report, upload them into your autoresponder company, and boom, you've cleaned your list, you've imported the good leads, and Getresponse loves you because now you're emailing only good non-bounced leads and valid email addresses. And so they love you, and then you are also getting better open rates because you're not hitting that bounce, that over 1% bounce rate they want you to be under. So this just helps everybody in the process. So hopefully you got value from this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for future videos, and I'll link all of my social media and resources in the description of this video. So with that being said, I will see you guys next week. I do videos every Thursday, usually early morning I upload, so subscribe and you'll be notified when the next video comes out. So with that, make it a wonderful day. See you in the next video.